Here we go. I'm ready for track 7. A bunch of quads. Look at all my quads. I've got a quad of quads. This is my 65mm Walksnail build. I was only going to fly 2 batteries on this, but I'm having too much fun. So now I've flown 13. I keep messing up the props in this. These jump fan props, I think, what are they, the 1612s or whatever? The second you crash, they bend. I'm having the worst luck with them. I've gone through 3 bags of these things in the last couple of weeks. Aw, boo. Those are some good laps with the 65 Walksnail. I really want to just do the whole course. Only if you can catch this in your teeth. No! Alright, I 3D printed this little tiny adapter, but it lets me put a 450 battery. You just kind of slip this in there like it would be a battery, and then it holds it right underneath. So I'm going to try some 450 batteries on 65mm.
How many batteries left do you have?
Feel the weight in the tune, that's for sure. But I like how a little extra weight carries through turns. And it feels good, and it feels pretty good. Yeah, that's awesome. $3:21. So we get a minute more flight time. Yeah. Alright, so the 450 on a 300 is actually pretty cool. I'm a fan of that, and I think I'm definitely going to fly at least some 450s to get used to and learn the course. Once you get seeds, you can use your fingernails. I'm just trying to follow you. Dodging people. That looked funny. It looked hilarious. I might have more laps with, or faster laps with the Nanoscout than my other quads this week. Did I get you? Yep.